Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program using AngularJS that will use the ng-init directive that will accept 5 grades, and then the program will compute the average grade and display the remarks whether the student passed or failed in the subject using AngularJS framework. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters, and most importantly to my subscribers. Thank you for watching my videos. If you like this video and then you are new with my channel, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so we have here index.html. Yours truly, Professor Jake Rodriguez, Pomperada, MIT, and then I wrote this code July 29, 2021, Thursday, 5:56 p.m. My location is Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, here in the Philippines. And then I have two websites where you can download free source code. The first one is jakerpomperada.com, and then the second one is jakerpomperada.blogspot.com. And then my personal email address at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Currently guys, I'm accepting computer programming jobs, software development, web development, IT consultancy, computer programming assignments or projects. You can email me at jakerpomperada@gmail.com. Quality service at a very affordable cost. Thank you so much in advance. So we are here, HTML head, title, average grade using ng-init in AngularJS, style, body, font family Arial, font size 21px, font weight bold, and then we have here script type text JavaScript angular.min.js. So make sure that this file is located also in the same folder, or else it will generate an error in your program. Var app, Angular module, average underscore grade, app controller, app scope, function app, and then we create a function here, and then average, and then we will compute the average from 5 grades, divide by 5, and then we have here final underscore grade average fixed to 0. And then for checking for the remarks, if $up final underscore grade greater than or equal to 75, if it is true, the remarks will be passed. But if it is false, the remarks will be failed, and then display the result here in our code. Okay, and then we close our script. So we have here dev ng-app average grade, control app. We have here the table average grade using ng-init in AngularJS, enter grade number 1, ng-model grade underscore 1, change every time that we type, grade number enter grade number 2, grade under 2, and ng-model number 3 for grade number 3, ng number 4 for enter grade number 4, and then enter grade number 5 for ng-model ng number underscore 5, and then the bind to display the result ng-bind in span. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two website. Okay, let us go with the output. So let's say the grade is 89. Let's say we have 78, 90, 88, and then lastly 87. So the average grade is 86. You passed the subject. How about the student failed? 68, 70, 72, 60, and 71. So the average grade is 68. You failed the subject. As you can see, every time that I change the grade here using change command in our code, okay, we have here, so ng-change, the grade will be automatically changed also. So if we change this one, so the average grade is 76. You pass the subject. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on average grade using ng-bind in AngularJS. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.